Today we're at the University of Florida's Tropical Aquaculture Lab, and we are conducting a joint teacher training workshop and in-service training. We are partnering with FDAC's Division of Aquaculture to teach ag educators about how to teach aquaculture concepts in their school, but also to network with agents in their area so that agents can help them continue their aquaculture programs in their school.
Aquaculture is the raising of aquatic organisms. So just like agriculture is raising cows and pigs and corn on a farm, aquaculture is farming just aquatic organisms. That includes both animals and plants, everything from clams and oysters to tilapia and other food fish to things like alligators actually count as aquaculture. We have over 1,000 certified aquaculture facilities in the state of Florida, raising 1,500 varieties of organisms.
We got grant funding in 2021 from USDA Farm to School, which allowed us to actually put aquaculture systems in a classroom. And this is the second version of that. Funded by Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services Division of Aquaculture, Florida Sea Grant, University of Florida Tropical Aquaculture Laboratory, Florida Aquaculture Association, Florida Ag in the Classroom, Florida Tropical Fish Farms Association.
These schools are actually going to get recirculating aquaculture systems or aquaponics systems where they raise fish and plants together. So most of the schools in this program will be raising tilapia and something like basil that's easy to grow. And it'll allow them to see the collaborative association between these fish and plants. Plants help clean the water for the fish. Fish provide nutrients for the plants. It all grows nice and together, and it allows the nitrogen cycle as well as plant physiology and animal physiology to be taught in these classrooms in a hands-on way. Aquaculture education has been going on for years. The idea is not to reinvent the wheel, but to make it accessible to as many teachers as we possibly can.